everyone, I am Nidhi Agrawal
And my name is Abhishek Agarwal.
and we are here in Dallas, Texas, and we are conducting a Web2Print Masterclass on 9th of June from 1 p.m. onwards. In this class, we are going to discuss about how to choose a right Web2Print technology for your business, how to choose your right IT partner who can understand your business requirements and help you with the right implementation of the technology for you. In addition to that, we are also going to discuss how to form your team for successful implementation as well as pre and post implementation checklists.
We are also going to discuss about the marketing and SEO to bring more people to your business. So don't forget to attend this masterclass. Please find the link below in the description. Thank you.
Thank you.